Today we're going to show you how to install the carbon fiber rear grille pieces on the C8 Corvette. So let's get started. So for this install, here are some of the tools you'll need to do the job. For replacing the rear bumper grille pieces, you'll mostly just need the trim tools, but a majority of the other tools needed are for removing the rear bumper to gain access in order to do that. The job can take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours depending on your tools and experience. And I'll have a link in the description below to the main tools I use along with the product that we're installing, which comes from Extreme Online Store. So first thing we need to do is remove the rear bumper. This is needed in order to gain access to the rear grille pieces from the other side. I had made a thorough how-to video on how to remove the rear bumper specifically for the C8, and I'll have a link in the video both in the description and in this video itself. If you need a step-by-step instruction and have never taken off the rear bumper, it's a great reference to have. Once you have the rear bumper removed, you can come back to this video, which will focus on the remaining steps of how to do this. Now that the rear bumper is removed, you can gain access to the grille pieces from the inside. First thing you'll need to do is remove the rear sensors from the grille on the left and right side. In order to do this, use a trim tool or pliers to pull the tabs out and then remove the rear sensors. You can also then remove the wire guides that are held on the end tabs of the grille pieces using either a trim tool or pliers as well. At this point, you're ready to remove the grille pieces that are held in place with the orange tabs. You'll need to use a trim tool or pliers and push back on the orange tabs to unclip them from the grille piece. Keep in mind these orange tabs are really fragile, so take your time and be careful not to bend the tabs too much, just enough to dislodge the tabs from the grille. A good tip is to work one side to the other and apply an upward pressure from underneath. This helps honestly to keep the tabs you have unhooked from snapping back into place. Once you have that done on one side, repeat on the other grille piece. At that point, you're ready to install the carbon fiber grille parts into place. It should be an easy push and snap into place, aligning all the tabs and making sure they're secure. A big thing though is that you don't want to force it, as the tabs are very fragile and you don't want to accidentally break them off. If it doesn't go in without a medium amount of force, you may need to file the slots in order to make more space to let the tabs go through. In my case, one side went in easy and the other side required a decent amount of filing to get enough clearance for the tabs. But once that's done, all you need to do is reinstall the wire tab guides and the rear sensor. At that point, the grille pieces are installed and you can reinstall the rear bumper in the opposite order that you uninstalled it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and check out any of my other videos for more C8 Corvette how-to installs and product reviews. Thanks for watching.